theresesohere. So we're back with another monthly favorites, but this time it's kind of a little different because all the things that I have here are the things that are kind of common and you might have it at home or you might not have it at home, but here, all the things that I have here are all the things that I've been using for this month-long quarantine. Actually, the first weeks of March, I was in duty. So, yung number one in our list is something that I was using the first week of March and continued using hanggang ngayon. Nung first week kasi, I was in duty in a hospital. So, I've been really washing my hands so much. I've been putting alcohol so much. And it's actually the season na hindi pa masyadong cautious lahat yung tao about the virus, but there were some na cautious na talaga, and isa ako dun kasi yun, knowing that I'm going in the hospital every day and nagko-commute ako and I have so much contact of different people in a day. So, yun, ang dami kong alcohol wipes in my bag during that time. So, I also pair it with this one, the hand cream. Kasi pag lagi kang nag-alcohol and lagi kang nagwa-wash ng hand, nagiging dry yung kamay mo. So, yun, I have so much of this one. Hindi lang itong brand na to. For now, I've been using this one, L'Occitane. But, maganda din yung Nature Republic na hand cream. The second thing in our list naman is something that I started using nung pagka-uwi ko dito sa Pampanga and hindi nakalunay sa bahay. Hindi na din to natanggal sa ulo ko. This one, I have my headband. Actually, you probably see this in my Instagram stories, but ngayon, super gamit na gamit niya. As in, the whole day I'm using it. Kasi I get, ayan o, meron na akong pimples dito. I don't really get pimples in my cheeks, but right now I've been getting it. I really have to get my hair off my face. So, I've been using this for so much. And dapat malabhan na siya. Kasi 1 month na pala and lalabhan ko siya today. Promise. Promise me sa sarili mo, girl. Ayun. So, yung third thing sa list natin is this one. It's the Balm Aid. I actually got this from a store in Alabang Town Center, I guess. Kasi, nung time na yon naka-duty pa ako sa Laguna. I bought this because lapitin ako ng insekto and ang galing kong katihin yung mga yon as in masusugat sila. So, I really need this all the time. Hindi to natatanggal sa bag ko kasi yun nga. Pag nakagat ako, kakatihin ko siya hanggat magkasugat na siya. So, it really helps me a lot kasi pag nilagyan ko nitong Balm Aid na to, nag-heal yung kate and hindi ko siya masyadong nakakate. The next thing naman is something that's always in my monthly favorites. It's a mask. It's a face mask, but it's a different face mask from the one that I've been using last month kasi naiwan ko yung mga face mask na yun dun sa condo ko sa Manila. So, this one is the mask that I have here at home. It's the Jun mask. I actually have 2 variants of this. The other one is moisturizing and this one is brightening. Yung mga Jun mask, they have 3 steps and depende dun sa use nila yung steps na yun. Kasi yung isang face mask ko na ganito, yung step 1 niya is essence, but this one is cleanser yung step 1 niya. So, yun. This one is the fourth thing in our list, the Jun Face Mask. The fifth thing in our list is something that I really didn't want to buy before kahit na nakita ko ang daming reviews online. This is the Laneige Lip Slipping Mask. I really didn't feel the need to buy this product even though it has many good reviews because ang dami naman petroleum jelly dyan, chapstick, baby lips na pwede mong gamitin, nag-chap yung lips mo, diba? So, hindi ko talaga nakuha yung need to buy this one, but I got this as a Christmas gift and these days, I've been using it consistently and I'm super happy with the results kasi usually makikita niyo ako lagi nagkaganyan kasi nababakbak yung lips ko. So, yun, laging nababakbak yung lips ko pero feel ko pagkatapos kong bakbakin, okay na. Pero nung ginamit ko to, ngayong consistent ko nang ginagamit to, nakita ko yung effect niya, how moisturizing it is with the lips. Lalo na ngayon na naglagay ako ng lipstick. Super ganda niya. Dati pag naglagay ako ng lipstick, lagi meron yan kailangan palatin na gano'n. So, yan. This really made the difference. And the sixth thing in our list is something that I have for a very long time na, pero mas na-abuse ko siya and na-use ko siya ngayon because I have the time. I'm staying at home, wala masyadong ginagawa. I have this JBL speakers. My K-pop life is really active ngayon. So, alam nyo na. The 7th thing in our list is actually in my phone. It's actually an app. Dinownload ko yung app na to kasi ako yung taong hirap na hirap uminom. Dati I thought because madami lang akong ginagawa or nakakalimutan ko na kasing uminom. But hanggang ngayon na nako-quarantine, nahihirapan pa rin ako uminom ng liquid. So, yun. I've been using this so much these days. But ngayon, hindi ko pa siya ginamit. Kasi papakita ko sa inyo how I input the drink. Ayan, 0% pa siya. The thing I love about this app, pangalan pa rin ng app na to is My Water. The thing that I love about this app is when I add a drink, may choices kung anong drink yung ininom mo. Like, if uminom ako ng coffee kaninang umaga and it's a cup, it's a 250 ml cup, I can put it in here. So, this calculates not only the water intake that you have, but all the liquids, as in, kung ano man yung liquid na nainom mo for the day. So, yun. Pag nakainom ka na ng 1 water, tinan nyo ha, pag nag-add ako ng water, tumataas din yung water level ko. So, there. Nagigalaw yung water. Nakakaliw. So, yun. This is My Water app. So, if you want to track your liquid intake, lalo na ngayong home quarantine tayo, and puro na lang tayo nakahigaan, nanunood. Hindi na natin napapansin na hindi tayo kumain, hindi tayo uminom. So, yun. This is nice to have My Water app. And the 8th thing in our list is something that I have here in my phone then. So, this is the top 6 YouTubers that I've been watching for the past month. Yeah, it's a month already. The first YouTuber in our list is a Korean YouTuber who has videos that are in Korean, but it has English subtitles, so it's easy for me to watch her videos. So this is Haze. She says her name as ganon, Haze, pero yung spelling ng name niya is Heizle. So, it's kind of Hazel. So, yun. I really love her videos. Yung videos niya more into luxury hauls, vlogs, daily vlogs, and yung mga, gusto ko yung mga pa-room tour niya, pa-closet tour niya. So, yun. I really love her and I've been following her in Instagram for so long na. Pero ngayon lang ako na-hook sa mga videos niya. So, there. And the second YouTuber in our list is also a Korean YouTuber, but yun nga, yung mga videos niya meron din English subtitle. This is 3T. So, her videos are mostly everyday videos, everyday vlogs. What I love about her videos is kahit na everyday vlogs siya and hindi niya masyado pinapakita yung face niya and wala masyadong talking, it's really not boring. Not like the others na parang pampatulog talaga. So, eto, I really get hooked at her videos. And meron siyang mga niluluto na niluluto ko rin, ginagaya ko din. So, yun. Dahil sinabi ko na rin naman na lagi tayo nagluluto and ginagaya natin yung mga YouTube videos. I have this YouTube channel na fina-follow. Korean din siya. Pero, yun, may English subtitles naman. So, this is 1 meal a day. Most of the recipes in this YouTube channels are made of egg. So, gamit na gamit ang itlog namin dito sa bahay. Nag-experiment ako, ginagaya ko yung mga recipes niya. And the last YouTuber na Korean yung ginagamit as their language in their videos is this one. It's Veiled. Yung mga videos niya more into travel vlogs and ASMR. So, yun. It's the male YouTuber that I've been watching for this past days. Veiled. As in V-E-I-L-E-D. And the last 2 YouTubers that I'm gonna share to you guys are probably YouTubers that I've shared in my videos na, siguro. Oo. 2 YouTubers that I've been following for a long time and I've been watching for a very long time. This is Q2 Han and Joan Day. So, yun. Yung mga videos ni Q2 Han and Joan Day are in English. They are Koreans, but their videos are in English. So, kung ayaw nyo nagbabasa ng subtitles, they are the YouTubers that you should watch. My camera died, so kung nag-iba yung pwesto, sorry. But, yun yung 6 YouTube channels that I've been visiting so much this past few days. So, I'm gonna flash all the YouTube channels here. So, kung gusto nyo i-screenshot, screenshot nyo at this moment. So, there. The 9th thing in our list is also here in my phone. I list down some of my favorite K-dramas. So, I know that many people are hooked with K-dramas ngayon dahil sa Crash Landing on You. So, I'm gonna share to you guys 5 of the K-dramas in Netflix that I think those who are starting K-dramas pa lang would love. So, yung first thing in our list is, syempre, Crash Landing on You. And the second thing in our list, syempre, nag-Crash Landing on You ka na. Mag-Descendants of the Sun ka na. Kasi yun talaga ang combo, yung dalawang yun. And the third thing would probably be Itaewon Class. It's not really kasi like the Crash Landing and Descendants na more into love life din. Yung Itaewon, less love life, more into principles in life. So, ang dami mong matututunan sa Itaewon Class. And yun, I really love the story kasi hindi siya yung usual na K-drama. Hindi siya, kumbaga, yung iba kasing K-dramas, I can put them in one cluster. Parang may genre sila, ganun. Itaewon Class is a whole different story. So, I really love Itaewon Class. Fourth would probably be, Vagabond. Kasi it's really different than from the other. Vagabond is more of action. And yung fifth siguro would be, this is a tough one. Ang dami kasing maganda. It would probably be What's Wrong with Secretary Kim if you want a light story, but if you want a heavy story, it would probably be Uncontrollably Fun. Super duper iiyak ka. So, yon yung 5 K-dramas na recommended ko for those who are starting K-dramas: Crash Landing on You, Descendants of the Sun, Itaewon Class, Vagabond, and yung 5th is What's Wrong with Secretary Kim or Uncontrollably Fun. And if ayaw nyo naman sa Netflix, meron akong super nagugustuhan this past few days and super inaabangan ko talaga siya. It's yung When the Weather is Fine. Pero ngayon, nasa episode 10 pa lang siya. Pero every Monday and Tuesday may bagong episode. So, malapit na rin siyang matapos. 3 weeks na lang tapos na siya. So, it's really so nice. As in, umiiyak ako every episode and ang daming lessons every episode. And medyo tita siya kasi may book club meetings, ganon, and super light ng pagkakilig. So, there, I really love it. For the past few weeks, yun talaga yung inaabangan ko. Parang yun yung reward ko sa sarili ko, yung manunood ako ng When the Weather is Fine. So, there, yun yung number 9 sa list natin. And then, number 10 sa list natin is kind of weird. Pero kasi yun nga, dami natin time ngayon. Pero, I don't know if it's just me or pati kayo, madami sa atin napupuyat lalo ngayon. Gising tayo lahat ngayon paggabi. I don't know why. Siguro wala tayong iniisip na next day gigising tayo ng maaga, ganun. So, yun, ang dami napupuyat ngayon. And isa na ako dun. And yung kalaban mo pag puyat ka is sore throat, which is one of the symptoms pag may coronavirus. Kaya most of the people are napapraning na pag nagka-sore throat. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo na nagpuyat ka the other day. So, the past few days, I've been drinking Luya extract. So, eto talaga. It really has helped me for the past few days kasi lagi na ako yung taong laging napapaos. And for the past days, napupuyat pa ako. So, kinain ko talaga ng Luya juice. Anong ginagawa ko dito? Nagka-cut kami ng pieces of Luya and pinapa-boil. Tapos, iinumin mo na yun. Pero kung hindi mo kaya yung lasa, you can put lemon with it or honey with it. Bearable naman yung taste niya pag nilagyan mo na ng lemon tsaka ng honey. So, yun. Ang nice. Super nice na mag-ginger kayo every night. Nakakaganda din ng boses. Joke lang. Kung gusto mo maging singer. Joke. So, there. Yun yung top 10 favorite things ko for this month. I don't know if this was filmed really nice, but there. I hope next month it's not gonna be like this. Sana every one of us will go back to normal na for the next months because it's not only yung wala na tayong magawa sa bahay, nakakainip na. Isipin nyo yung mga wala nang pambili ng pagkain dahil wala silang work, and yung mga nagbibigay naman ng work, wala din naman kasing magawa. So, I really hope it's gonna be better soon. It's gonna be better next month. and hope all of you stay healthy. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you keep watching my videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.